Modifiers are keywords that change or describe the behavior of classes, methods, properties, fields, and other members. They give additional meaning to how those members work in the program. Modifiers are different from access modifiers. While access modifiers control who can access a member, modifiers describe how a member behaves. For example, a modifier might indicate whether a method is shared across all instances, belongs to an instance or the type itself, must be implemented in a subclass, or should run asynchronously. Modifiers help define what a member is allowed to do, how it should be used, and how it interacts with other code. They are written before the member type or name, and are commonly used in class definitions, method declarations, and variable declarations.